Today we're going to be doing a B wiring on this Cat6 Ethernet cable. This is a cable I've been using at home to wire my house. This is the crimper we're going to be using. It has the blades for cutting the cable and the crimp down. This is the end we'll be using, just a standard Ethernet end. And a multi-tool for the scissors, just so we can cut the plastic inside of the cable. Doesn't have to be a multi-tool, you could use any kind of scissors. So here's our cable, and first we're going to cut the blue cover off of the copper. So go ahead and squeeze down. Don't put it all the way down, or else you could cut the copper inside. And I usually do one turn forward and one turn back, and then just release it from there. And you can see that cut line I just made. From here you can just pull off the cable, and there you go, you have a clean cut. Always leave enough length for you to work with so you can straighten out the copper inside. Now this is the plastic I was telling you about before. Just take your scissors and just cut that down as close as you can. Now we'll untwist these wires here, and we'll want to make them all as straight as possible as we're untwisting them. And now that they're all straightened out, we can start putting them in place. So for the B wiring, we want to go orange, white, orange first. So you can see it has that little orange stripe down it. Then we'll do solid orange after that. After the two orange, we need to put the green, white, green. And as you're doing this, you can make sure that they're straightened out. Sometimes adding a little bend to it can help you get the cable in place. So after green, white, green, we'll do solid blue. Now if it isn't perfect as you're doing it this way, we can always clean it up before we cut them down. After blue, it's blue, white, blue. After blue, white, blue, we're going to do solid green. And here I'm just cleaning up the cable, that way everything lines up a little bit better. You will learn not all cables are made the same, and some need to be messed with a little bit more than others. So after brown, white, brown, we're going to do solid brown. And now we can make them all line up a little bit better. And it should look just like that. Now we will cut the excess off. I usually do a little bit past my fingertip. And just push down like that. Get the excess cable out. Then we can put the head in. So you want to make sure that the clip is right over top of the blue right there. That way when you crimp it down, it has something to grab onto. Then you always put your cables in left to right. That way they match the end on the other side. Now we'll just put it inside of the crimper. Squeeze down pretty hard to make sure everything gets clamped down. And then flick the top off so you get a click when you plug it in, and you are good. You just made your first cable.